Hi everyone, it's Danny here from Angel Handmade Papercraft. So I have some exciting news. That is that I am now part of the Helmar design team. So Helmar produce adhesives. So many different types of adhesives, whether it's tube glue, spray adhesive, or there's a few other liquid adhesives, etc. So I just wanted to show you a few of the products that I have received that I will be working with. So this is the liquid scrap dots. So they're 3D dimensional, of course they're acid free, and they do dry clear as well. So that's those. This is the silicone adhesive sealant, which is it's just a general purpose adhesive, and that is clear as well. That's those. I'm just trying to be careful because they've put a whole heap of paper in here. Alright, so we have some spray adhesive. So we've got some matte varnish, some gloss varnish, and this is the Fixative. So that's the matte adhesive. Next one is the spray adhesive. So it's acid free, fast drying, etc, etc. That's that one. The next one is a silicone spray. So it's used for lubrication, shining, restoring, and it's food grade silicone and non-staining. So that'll be interesting. Alright, so now we have some of the liquid adhesives. So we've got the acid free, sets clear, flexible bond, and it will not yellow, which is very important to us scrapbookers and card makers. We've got some of the PVA woodworking glue. Very cool. Dries clear as well, high strength bond, great for chipboard, timber, woodworking, etc. The Gemstone Glue, so washable glue, used for plastic, glass beads, rhinestones, pearls, mirrors, and it won't cloud your gemstones. Okay, so we've got some of the premium craft glue. So it dries clear as well. It's a quick setting glue used for fabrics, leather, lace, trim, etc. We've got some of the craft and hobby PVA glue. So used for paper, cardboard, all your scrapbooking sort of stuff. And it is washable as well. So there is a big notice on here saying easily washes out of uniforms and clothes. So for you that are messy crafters, that's perfect for you. I've got some of the fabric glue, some of the 450 quick dry adhesive, some of the foam glue. Okay, so we also have some of the super Tac glue. So it also dries clear. It's also water-based and non-toxic. We have some of the Tacky craft glue. Also dries clear, non-toxic, water-based. And finally some of the silicone oil. So that's all of my goodies. Lots and lots and lots of goodies. I'm very, very grateful for my package. And I hope to get crafting soon. Bye.